Kayo ang secret weapon ng mga pastor. Without the knowledge, consciousness, nananalangin kayo para sa pagiging success ng inyong kabiyahe. Support, chosen to support the ministry. Share in the mission by offering emotional and practical support. Yung galing siya ng trabaho, kinapit ninyo, in-embrace ninyo, inalikan ninyo, malaking bagay ito sa mga asawa ninyo, pastor. Emotional and practical support. Mrs. White says in Evangelism 361, the wife of a minister can be a great help to her husband in his work if she possesses a deep sense of her responsibility and a true love for the work. Oo, mga minamahal ko mga kapatid, sabi ni Mrs. White, napaka-laki ng company responsibility ninyo being asawa ng mga pastor natin. Acts chapter 18 verses 24 to 26. Your support mirrors the partnership of Aquila and Priscilla, who work together to advance the gospel. Kaya nga, ang ministro na walang asawa, hindi siya pino-ordain. Ang tagumpay ng mga ministro natin nakasalalay sa inyong suporta. Point number 1, pinili kayo para suportan ninyo ang inyong kanya-kanyang asawa. Point number 2, chosen to lead and serve in church activities. As a ministerial spouses, you are leaders in your own right. God has chosen you to lead in areas such as women's ministries, small group Bible studies, community outreach. Ang mga asawa ninyong pastor, hindi yan Superman. Okay? Hindi lahat ay magagawa. Pero malaking bagay ang may tutulong ng kanyang asawa sa gawain ng ating Panginoon.